Let's learn 10 business idioms every professional needs.
Number 1. Start off on the right foot. It means to begin a relationship or project positively. Example, new employees should start off on the right foot by being punctual. Number 2. Bang your head against a wall. It means to keep trying to do something without success. Example, trying to keep this place clean and tidy is like hitting my head against a brick wall. Number 3. Close of business. It means by the end of the workday. Example, please send the report by close of business today. Number 4. By the book. It means to follow rules strictly. Example, our finance team does everything by the book to avoid audits. Number 5. Pull out all the stops. It means to make every possible effort to achieve something. Example, the sales team pulled out all the stops to close the big deal. Number 6. Raise the bar. It means to set higher standards. Example, this new product will raise the bar in our industry. Number 7. Learn the ropes. It means to learn how something works. Example, new hires need time to learn the ropes. Number 8. Get the green light. It means to receive approval to proceed. Example, the project can't start until we get the green light from management. Number 9. Hands are tied. It means unable to act due to restrictions. Example, I'd love to help, but my hands are tied by policy. Number 10. Pass the buck. It means to shift responsibility to someone else. Example, don't pass the buck, own up to the mistake. That's a wrap on our 10 business idioms. Now you're ready to sound like a pro at work. Take the quiz below and let me know how many you got right. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.